Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the unboxing of MyScape Songs of the Sun by MyScape Properties, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project and this is going to be your marketing office, and right behind the marketing office from here is going to be your land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. In this video, we will be discussing the below points like the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, internal and external, parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, construction update, possession. So let's get this video started. So the first one is the project overview. MyScape Songs of the Sun is a luxury high-rise residential project and it is spread across 5.92 acres of land parcel with 4 towers rising to ground plus 37 floors housing a total of 592 premium residences. The project offers 3 BHK and 4 BHK ultra spacious apartments with only 4 units per floor. Coming over to the location, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. And this side of the road easily connects you to the main road of Financial District. Now, the nearby connectivity points include Outer Ring Road, which is just few minutes from here, Gachibowli being only 10 minutes away, High-Tech City around only a 15 minutes drive. Now, let's have a look at the amenities part. The internal amenities. Spacious and thoughtfully designed interiors, large balconies with floor-to-ceiling glazing, and it is Vastu compliant. Coming over to external amenities, MyScape Songs of the Sun comes with world-class amenities like a 50,000 plus square feet grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, indoor sports court, tennis court, basketball court, and many more. Coming over to the parking part, the project has 3-level basement parking. Now let's do the master plan. So this is the master plan of MyScape Songs of the Sun. As you can see in the image, there are 4 high-rise towers strategically placed across the 5.92 acres of land parcel, offering the following configuration. 3 BHKs 2,825 to 2,915 square feet, 4 BHKs 3,280 to 3,295 square feet, and each floor only has 4 apartments per unit. Now, let's have a look at some of the floor plans. So this is the floor plan showing the layouts for 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments. Tower A, each floor has 4 flats served by 4+1 lifts and 2 staircases. Now let's have a look at the unit plan. So this is the unit plan. 3 BHKs 2,825 to 2,915 square feet and 4 BHKs 2,280 to 3,295 square feet. Now let's have a look at the current work status update. The MyScape Songs of the Sun is under construction, as you can see, with progress is moving swiftly and good pace being maintained. Next, coming to the possession part, as per the builder's communication, possession for MyScape Songs of the Sun, it is scheduled from December 2028 onwards. So everyone, this was the unboxing of MyScape Songs of the Sun by MyScape Properties, which is located in Financial District, Hyderabad. For more such amazing walkthroughs and knowledge of the project, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.